Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you how we can create this particular star pattern. Okay, so come here and write down all the indexes of j where you want to see the stars. See, on the left side, when I is 1, I want to see the star only at 4 or only at 11. Okay, so these are the two indexes. Okay, next, just like that, coming to the I equal to 2. Okay, when the line changes, I becomes 2. I want to see star at 3, 4 and 5. Okay, that is on the left side. Or, okay, I'll write here or like this. Okay, here also let me write here or. Okay, either 4 or 11. Here 3, 4, 5, or on the right side it should be 10, 11 and 12. So let me write here 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so these are the two values. Okay, this is for the left side and this is for the right side. And here when I is equal to 3, I want to see stars from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think only till 6. Okay, from 2 to 6. Okay, or on the right side I just want to see them at 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so these are the indexes to print this particular star. Okay, now coming to the last one. See guys, from 1 till 7 until from 8 till 14. Okay, means from one index to the last index, that is 7. Okay, that is on the left side. Okay, or from 8 till 14. Okay, so these are all the indexes on which we want to see the stars. Okay, so for the first value, here, okay, the conditional statement is like this. Okay, so first is if j is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, and yes, and j is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so this is the left side value. Okay, now after this I'm going to say or. Okay, now I'll come for the right side, this one, this value. Okay, I'm going to say like this: if j is greater than or equal to 11 and j is less than or equal to 11. Okay, if this is the condition, then only you print star. Okay, so this is that particular condition. Okay, this is for the left side and this is for the right side. Okay, now just like this I'm going to match with all the other values of I. Okay, so now let me just write this a little bit smaller. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, here it's 2, 4, 5, 6 like this, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here it should be greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 5, this side. Okay, here it should be greater than or equal to 10. Okay, and less than or equal to 12. Now here let's write this one more time. Let's copy this, paste it here. This time it should be greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 6. Here it should be greater than or equal to 9 and less than or equal to 13, like this. Okay, and coming to the last value, here it should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and less than or equal to 7. This is for the left side, till here, like this. Okay, and from the right side I'm going to say it should be greater than or equal to 8 as well as it should be less than or equal to 14. So to come up with the last final conditions of j, I'm going to write like this. See guys, for the left side values I'm going to say here j should be greater than or equal to 5 minus I, because here I want 4. Okay, then it should be 3, then it should be 2, then it should be 1. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4 will give me these particular left side values. And for the right side values I'm going to say 3 plus I. Okay, because I want here 4, here 5, here 6 and here 7. Okay, this is the value for the left side triangle. Now coming for the right side triangle, I'm going to say like this. It should be 12 minus I, because I want it at 11. Okay, then at 10, then at 9, and then at 8. Okay, so 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3 will give me that answer. Okay, then here on the right side, I'm going to say I want 10. Okay, 10 plus I. Okay, if these two conditions satisfies, then you have to print star. Okay, let me do it here like this. Once again, so let me just okay, I'll write it one by one. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, see guys, first in a bracket I'm going to put this one. Let me write it off. Okay, so first condition is I'm going to put it in a bracket, separate bracket. Okay, and say j should be greater than or equal to 5 minus I. Okay, along with this, okay, I'm going to say and there should be one more condition for the right side. Okay, that is j should be instead of putting bracket over here, okay, we'll put like this. Okay, j should be less than or equal to 3 plus I. Okay, this is one condition. Okay, now here we are going to say the or condition. Okay, or condition is this one. Okay, so let me just copy this line and paste it over here like this. We'll make it a little bit bigger, so everything has to be in lower cases and of same. Let's just say okay like this. Okay, so let me make this in a different color. Okay, so these are the two conditions which you have to follow to get this particular star. Okay, so let me just make this also as red color and here also. Okay, like this. Okay, so these both are conditions. When they satisfy, we are going to get star, or else we are going to get space. So let me just copy this over here, and I loop from 1 to 5 and j loop from 1 to 15. Okay, so now let's save this and let's run the program once. Okay, see guys, we are getting perfect triangles like this. Okay, so thank you very much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next topic.